Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig's show. We've got a lot going on this week with our CRE awards that's going to take place October 20th in Budapest, 2 weeks after Expo Real. And then 3 weeks after Expo Real, or 1 week after Budapest, we've got our 12th annual CEE Investment Awards here in Warsaw at the InterContinental Hotel. So we hope to, if you're interested in the region, CEE region on the investment side, we've got the investment awards, and then down in Hungary, a lot happening in that part of the region, that part of the CEE region. So after 2 years of not having an event down there, we're back. COVID's over. We're almost over. We're back organizing the events there again, and we've got really the top developers and real estate owners down there already coming, and a lot of interest for it. Also, next week we'll be at Completely Retail in London, so we'll be broadcasting on the Tuesday from Completely Retail with some interesting interviews and talking to some retailers that are interested. We've already got 5 meetings set up with retailers looking to come into Central Eastern Europe. So great to see that's coming back to well, I don't think they ever left, but looking to really come back. I think now that Corona's over and come into the region, so nice to see them. Also, right after that, we have the Immobilien Ball, which is taking place in Vienna that we're taking part of. So if you're in Vienna and you'd like to meet up, I think that is on the Friday or Saturday. So it'd be definitely great to see you guys there. And then in Budapest, of course, we'll be at Budapest the week after. And on May 5th, we have our ESG afternoon conference and cocktails starting from 3:30. So if you're interested in anything, like you're in Budapest or you want to go to Budapest, the 5th is a good day to go because we can meet up with you. And also we have some great panels on ESG and the report from the Cloud 24 and New Work offices, as well as some other great speakers. So a lot going on. We hope everything's going well with everybody that's watching our show. We wish you the best. We'll take a little bit of break and we'll show you a little bit about our CRE awards happening in Budapest. So a lot going on there, and we'll come right back with the highlights of the EuropaProperty.com news with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. So we'll be back in 20 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back. Winston, great to see you again. Welcome to the show.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Good. How's your Thursday?
Yeah, it started off all right.
Starting off okay, yeah. Good. It seems a little cloudy still outside, but
the weather could be a bit better.
Hopefully it'll be nicer as the days go by.
At least it's not snowing. Yeah. So we'll start off today with some news from Adventum. They've been very busy recently, and they've set up a co-investment with the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Mm-hmm. And the EBRD's board has approved a co-investment of up to 50 million euros alongside Adventum Penta, which is their 5th investment fund. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And this will cover countries in the CEE region, including Hungary, Poland, and the Czech Republic. And it's the first of 2 joint investments, and they're scheduled to be completed by the end of May, so pretty soon.
No, fast.
And this is interesting. With this investment, the assets under management by the Adventum Group now will grow to around 1 billion euros, which is
Big.
Quite substantial. Yeah. And according to, on behalf of Adventum Group, they say that this is their fifth fund, and it includes a lot of JV structures and attracted capital commitments of around 240 million euros, and significant amounts made by Western European and global investors. And Clifford Chance is the legal advisor for Adventum regarding the structure of this co-investment, while Deloitte is supporting the implementation of the ESG matters. So this is one of your latest modern deals,
right? ESG
unfolding in front of us.
Sure. Excellent.
Moving to Slovenia. I know you were there recently.
I was just in Slovenia.
And I'm surprised you didn't get here, but maybe you missed it by a few days. But the Supernova Ljubina Rudnik shopping centre has opened, the expansion. And this is quite an extensive expansion, so I think we'll be including this in our CRE awards because it's a 70 million euro investment. And the centre now covers 50,000 square metres and includes 109 stores, 50 of which are new. And it has 7 cinemas, 19 restaurants and bars, with 2 terraces, 2 indoor amusement parks, outdoor playgrounds, a fitness centre, and parking for 2,500 cars. And this is by the Supernova Group, because I didn't mention that. And again, they're pushing out a lot of retail.
Yeah, it's our friend Marcus Pingera, who's running Supernova.
Yep, he was there at the opening. And according to Frank Philip Albert, he's the founder of Supernova, he says, by focusing on the long-term partnership and continuous development, we enabled ourselves and our tenants to maximize added value and to offer our customers a holistic experience. And obviously the mayor of Ljubljana was there, and it says, I'm glad that the investors in the Supernova upgrade project have recognized the advantages that our country offers.
Wow, so 2 big project. I drove by it actually, but it wasn't open officially yet.
No,
so
just getting ready.
Yeah, putting in all the new stuff.
And moving to the Czech Republic, I'm going to take you around the region today, Craig.
Excellent.
And the Czech Republic's office markets are becoming a lot more attractive. This is according to Colliers, who have announced a survey on the regional cities in the Czech Republic. And they will continue to grow and continue to offer lower prices. And they offer many new high-quality buildings. And last year, the annual gross demand began to grow again after a period of stagnation for obvious reasons. Both in large areas such as Brno, Ostrava, as well as several other regional cities in the country. And according to Colliers, a number of companies are looking for a quieter but a more dynamic location, and they are expanding in the regions for this reason. And therefore, Brno and Ostrava and other regional cities such as Pilsen, Olomouc, and Liberec are gaining in attractiveness.
Wow. Well, Ostrava, they're also doing all that brownfield sites for the logistics and warehousing. So
that's right. And interestingly, moving on, nice segue to our next news item, which is from Cushman & Wakefield, and it's also covers the Czech Republic, but it's on the industrial markets of the whole region, the 5 countries of Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, Romania, and Slovakia for 2021. And there's some principal findings that they've discovered. And so modern logistics space in the region is now 46 million square meters. And that saw an increase of 10% over 2020. The largest portion of stock is in Poland, then Czech Republic, followed by Romania, Hungary, and Slovakia in last place. And interestingly, Czech Republic is in the lead. It's got the largest margin with 902 square meters per 1,000 inhabitants in the industrial space. And Poland comes second with 625 square meters per 1,000 inhabitants. And according to Jiří Kristek, he's the head of industrial retail warehousing team at Cushman & Wakefield, he says that Poland recorded the greatest year-on-year increase in industrial space. And he says that approval procedures are markedly faster than in the Czech Republic, which helped this pace of development. And he also says, he goes on to say that in addition, there are fewer locations suitable for new development in the Czech Republic than Poland. And one of the things that Poland is very good for logistics space is the fact that it's got a greater expanse of flat land.
Yeah, there's plenty of that.
Yeah, there's plenty of land to build. And the major players in the region now, the lion's share goes to CTP, which is 13%. Prologis gets 10%, Panattoni gets 8%, and P3 Logistics Parts gets 7%. And bringing up the rear, Segro with 4%. And this all totals 42% of the total market share. And interestingly enough, although Panettone have got 8%, they were the ones that developed the most last year.
Ah, okay, but they started a little later, I guess.
I guess so, yeah. But they are growing. They completed almost 2 million square meters of new logistics space.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's very interesting. Yeah, and good. I think the Czech Republic, they're just approving it faster. Approving the licenses faster or the permits.
So something for you to mull over.
Yeah, exactly. So, well, thank you all for watching this Coffee with Craig show on Thursday, and we hope you're all staying safe and healthy. And we will see you tomorrow on the next Coffee with Craig. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.